Welcome back, everybody. On today's episode, we'll be taking a look at Garuda Linux. Garuda is a Arch-based system that's made for gamers, or so it claims on its website. It's a very modified system. Well, not modified. It's heavily themed, I should say. So you can tell by the icons here, the way everything's look. It's a lot of theming going on here. So let's get it installed and so get on the desktop and take a look at the system. Looks like we're using the Calamares installer. Location, Los Angeles, that's correct. Keyboard, English US, that's correct. We're gonna go ahead and erase this. I'm not gonna put a swap on this since it's just an overview. Let me add my user information. Super strong password, and I'm just gonna log in automatically just to swing on through it. Alright, there it is installing. So this should take like 5 minutes. I'll go ahead and pause the video now, and when we come back it should be on the desktop. Alright, installation is now complete, so we'll go ahead and restart now and get on the desktop, see what Garuda Linux has to offer. Alright, we are now on the desktop. Garuda Linux is installed, so let's take a look at it and see what it has to offer. Alright, on the Garuda welcome, it shows a Garuda Assistant, Garuda Gamer, Settings Manager, Network Assistant, Boot Options, System Cleaner, ButterFS Assistant, Partition Manager, Add a new software. We also have websites, wiki, donate, frequently asked questions, GitLab, AUR, and others. That's your Garuda welcome screen. You just untick it here so that it doesn't start up again when you reboot your PC. But if you wanted to show, just keep it ticked. And let's see on the about screen what it shows. Garuda welcome, version Soaring. Program for displaying a welcome screen in Garuda Linux. Alright, it's set up, it looks like it's set up kind of like Gnome with a panel on top and a dock on the bottom. So let's go through the system tray, see what we have here. We have a user switcher right here that has your session controls. Have a pull down menu that has other applications, internet connections, disk and devices, and your volume management system, volume rockers and all that. Alright, in the center we have a clock that displays a calendar. Very similar to Gnome. And on your left upper corner we have your applications menu. But first let's go ahead and take a look at the dock and see what we have here. The first one here, starting from the right, going left, it's going to be UKUI. UKUI is a software manager. So let's see what we can get on here. Let's get celluloid. Mark it for installation. And rhythm box, mark for installation. Shot well. mark for installation. And LibreOffice. Mark all these for installation. And what else do I need? Let's take a look at GIMP. So I'm going to go ahead and install these, and looks like it's going to update also while it's installing these packages. So we'll just go ahead and bring this down and take a look at our system settings. So in our system settings, we have all of our options here on the left. So here you can change users, notification settings, connections, firewalls, inputs, and we could also see about the system. Get some system info right here. Garuda Linux, KDE Plasma, kernel 6.5.9, Zen 2-1-Zen. Alright, and that's your settings manager. Then right here we have something called Snapper Tools. I'm not sure what Snapper Tools is, so we'll take a look at it together. It's not much. I see Pac-Man settings, so it must have something to do with software management. Alright. Let's see what's here. System monitor. See how much RAM we're using. CPU usage. We got CPU is 42%, 61. Right now we are installing updates, so that's probably why it's pretty high. Also on the memory, you can see it's up to 2 gigabytes, and it's also showing the disk space using 5.2 gigabytes of disk space. And about system monitor. System monitor 5.27.9. Alright, moving along, let's see our file manager, Dolphin. Dolphin is your standard file manager on KDE Plasma. And what version is it? 23.08.2. File manager. Alright, and what we have here is just a web browser. Yep, it is FireDragon. Modified version of Firefox, I believe. And it is. Alright. And FireDragon version 118.0.2. FireDragon for Garuda Linux. So yeah, this is just a modified Firefox. And that's your web browser. And then we have a terminal, which is a console. Yep, console is your featured terminal on KDE Plasma. Terminal emulator 97-22, the console developers. So we got NeoFetch already shown here. Let's see if it already has HTOP installed, and it does. Just another way to see your system resources. See, we're using 1.5 gigs. Of course, we are downloading updates right now. All right, so yep, close window, and the Garuda welcome. We already saw that. So let's go back to Octopi. Looks like everything's finished. Everything's installed. So now we've already seen everything on the dock menu. Let's move over to our application launcher. And in the developer, we have text editors, icon browsers, Qt. And let's take a look at micro. This is a text editor. Yes, it is. Text editor. See what version we have here. Oh, it's showing console. Huh. I guess it's a terminal-based text editor. I'm guessing, yeah. All right. Development, education, LibreOffice Math, graphics. We just installed GIMP and Shotwell. See what version of GIMP we're running. 2.10. And GIMP, as you know, is our equivalent of Photoshop. 2.10.36, GIMP image manipulation program. 95 to 23, so it's pretty updated. Let's go back to the graphics and take a look at Shotwell. Shotwell is a image viewer. Okay. Did I just log out? What just happened here? Oh, it must be because of the updates. All right. Let's go back to graphics and Shotwell. Okay, no. Looks like we have a glitch here, so let's move along. We're gonna leave Shotwell alone. Alright. Internet, we already took a look at the web browser, multimedia. We just installed Celluloid. Yep, Celluloid it is. And we're running Celluloid version 0.26. Looks to be the latest version. Celluloid, of course, is your video player, but it also plays audio. So you can do video and audio with it. Pretty much any video player on Linux you can use for video or audio. They're not just specific to one. They can be used for both. Even playlists. Alright. And we did also download Rhythmbox. Interesting. Getting a lot of errors here. Garuda Linux. I wonder if I need to restart the system. Let me try that. Let me go ahead and reboot the system. Maybe that's what it needs, because it did install updates also. So we'll go ahead and reboot the system. See if that fixes some of these logout errors. Alrighty, we're rebooted. Let's go back to graphics and see if Shotwell will open up now. Nope, still not working. Alright, Garuda Linux, you're having some issues. Alright, let's see, LibreOffice. Let's open up LibreOffice. See what version we are running. Tips, show tips on startup. Don't need that. Okay. What the Help and about LibreOffice 7.6.2.1. Seems to be one of the newer versions. Alright, LibreOffice. This is free software, the equivalent of Microsoft Office. Works for me straight out the box, so it's a pretty good program. That's LibreOffice. Settings, we have firewall, Garuda settings manager. Let's see what we have in the firewall. Trying to connect to firewall, waiting. Taking too much time. Alright, let's take a look at some. Let's take a look at some theming here. See what type of theme we got, because right now Garuda is heavily themed. Let's bring it back down to something more manageable and pleasing to the eyes. We'll go into the appearance. Take a look at Breeze. All right, that's Breeze. Breeze Dark. Breeze Twilight. Dragon Eyes is the original one, and Sweet is another colorful. Alright, I'll put it on Breeze Dark. I like the dark themes. Then you could also change the application style. So right now this is what it's on. You could do something like this. Just leave it on that one. You can also change the plasma style, which it'll also change the dock and the panel up top. See what that does. Yep, it does. See Breeze, Breeze Dark, Breeze Light. Yeah, I'll put it on Oxygen. It's a theme that I like to use with KDE. Alright, you could also change colors, window decorations, fonts, icons, mouse cursors, splash screen, things like that. It's pretty straightforward. Let's take a look at some wallpapers now. And on the wallpapers, yeah, just simple click. Yep. Letting me know open that. All right, more wallpapers. Alright, it's pretty straightforward. Just right click on your desktop, go to change wallpapers, and you can change it to whatever you like. Alright, that's pretty much Garuda Linux in a nutshell. On the website it says that it's built for gamers, but I didn't download the gaming version. I just downloaded the Dragon Eyes version. Just take a look at it, just a quick run through, see what it has. If there's something you like, I'll have links in the description so you can download or check out the homepage. Alright, that's going to do it for this video, so I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, and I'll see you next time on another one. And I'm out.